The no power error in your Tesla app indicates that your vehicle is not receiving electricity for charging. This error message appears when the app detects no power flowing to the charger, signaling an interruption in the electrical supply chain. The power supply chain begins at your home's electrical grid and flows through several components before reaching your Tesla. Any disruption in this chain can trigger the no power error. To visualize this better, here's a simplified circuit diagram showing how power flows from the grid through the breaker and outlet to your charger. The no power error often occurs when there's a break in this flow, such as a tripped breaker or faulty outlet. Common causes of the no power error include tripped or faulty circuit breakers, damaged outlets or wiring, and issues with the charging equipment itself. In the following sections, we'll guide you through checking each of these components step by step. A tripped or faulty circuit breaker is a primary cause of the no power error in Tesla charging. This occurs when the breaker protecting your charging circuit has been interrupted. First, locate the circuit breaker in your electrical panel that's specifically dedicated to your Tesla charger. This breaker protects the circuit from overloads and should be clearly labeled. Ensure the breaker switch is in the on position, which is typically the up position. If it's in the down or middle position, it may be off or tripped. If the breaker is tripped, reset it by first switching it fully to the off position, then back to on. This clears the trip mechanism. If the breaker trips repeatedly, it could indicate an overloaded circuit or a faulty breaker itself. In this case, stop using it and consult a licensed electrician for professional assistance to avoid safety risks. Examine the outlet you're using to charge your Tesla. Ensure it's the correct voltage, 240 volts for level 2 charging, and has the proper amperage rating. Look for any signs of damage, such as cracks, burns, or loose wiring. In coastal areas, watch for corrosion that can prevent proper power flow. Make sure the charger is securely plugged into the outlet. A loose connection can interrupt power and trigger the error. A loose or damaged outlet can prevent power flow and trigger the no power error. Here's a simple circuit diagram showing the power path. If you find corrosion, especially in coastal areas, consider replacing the outlet with a corrosion-resistant one for reliable charging. Regular outlet inspection helps prevent the no power error and ensures safe charging. Inspect the Tesla wall connector or mobile connector for any visible damage to the cable, such as fraying, kinks, or moisture. Unplug the charger from both the outlet and the car, wait a few minutes, and then plug it back in securely. For wall connectors Gen 3, check the LED indicator for specific blinking patterns that can indicate the nature of the fault, e.g., red blinking for breaker trips. Firmware updates to the wall connector have improved fault detection and surge resilience. Tesla's mobile app provides built-in troubleshooting tools. Navigate to the charging screen in the app. Select Troubleshoot and follow the prompts. The app can simulate a power check sequence. It provides more specific error codes than previous versions. This feature, enhanced in the V12 software update, can often pinpoint the source of the problem and suggest appropriate solutions. The app also provides AI-assisted chatbots for real-time guidance. To reset your Tesla charger, start by opening the Tesla mobile app and navigating to the charging section. Look for the charger settings and select the reset option to restart the wall connector remotely. Alternatively, perform a physical reset by unplugging the wall connector from the power outlet for 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the device to fully power down and clear any temporary glitches. Ensure your wall connector has the latest firmware installed through the Tesla app. These updates frequently address charging issues and improve compatibility with smart home systems. Firmware glitches, particularly after power outages, can cause charging errors. These are often resolved with mass firmware patches provided by Tesla support through the app. Always prioritize safety when troubleshooting electrical issues. Electrical work can be dangerous, so take precautions to protect yourself and your equipment. Key safety steps include disconnecting power before touching any electrical components. Use insulated tools and wear protective gear like gloves. Never work near water or moisture, as it increases the risk of electric shock. If you're uncomfortable working with electricity, or if the problem persists after trying basic troubleshooting, consult a licensed electrician immediately. Signs that you need professional help include recurring breaker trips, damaged wiring, faulty outlets showing sparks, or any need to modify electrical panels. These require qualified expertise to avoid hazards. Modifying electrical panels should only be done by qualified professionals. Always consult a licensed electrician to ensure safe and proper electrical work. The future of EV charging brings smarter, more autonomous systems that will transform how we handle charging issues. Increased integration with smart grids and energy management apps will preempt no power errors through AI monitoring of power flow, reducing issues before they start. Wireless charging technologies will eliminate cable-related no power issues entirely, with high-efficiency systems achieving 88 to 93% grid-to-battery efficiency. Tesla's roadmap includes AI-driven predictive maintenance using machine learning to forecast and fix charging errors before they occur, potentially reducing incidents by 50%. For prevention, regularly inspect your charging setup and ensure your home's electrical system is adequate for EV charging. Follow installation checklists to minimize future disruptions.